everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I introduce a new release metal die cut to you and make its tutorial. Yes, these are cards I have made. Beautiful, right? This is a book frame metal die cut, including the frame, decorator layer, and the detail parts. These two net strips are also for details. And happy birthday tag, two-layer rectangle tag, and this one is bookmark, also it can be a tag. Let's make first card. I have already cut the papers, frames, detail parts. I stamped sentiments on the strips. Happy birthday tag. I made 3 layers and the lace surface to get like metal. And the bookmark, I stamped big hugs on it. Okay, let's combine the cards. First, stick the decoration layer. And this strip for book spine decor. This very slim strip for detail decor. And this brown one is for in-the-page detail. We use this bookmark tag to make it look like more real. I insert bookmark into pages. Adjust the location and to see. Here looks very nice. And we cut the extra paper, glue them together, and pass them onto book. This book card with bookmark is really so beautiful. I love the colors so much. What do you think? Okay, last step, I stick label onto the book. Well, a stunning birthday card complete, so beautiful and impressed design. Now I make second card, the frame, the decoration, parts for book details, bookmark, and text. I stamped hello on this rectangle tag. Okay, let's combine the book. First, stick the flower cover. Clean the extra glue. And stick this net strip for detailed decoration. Clean glue. And this strip for book spine decoration. This strip is for in the pages details. And this is a cute ribbon-shaped bookmark. Before decorate details, we try these two tags and to say Happy Birthday tag and Hello tag. I think Hello tag is better for this blue book. So let's stick Hello tag onto the book. Well, a book card almost done. It is so like a real book, right? Make more details. Adjust the bookmark location to say. I personally think here is nice. We can make it more real. Insert the bookmark into the pages. Okay, let's paste them together. Now this book card is complete. It looks like so real and lovely, right? That is today's new product introduction and tutorial. I hope you love. Thank you. Bye bye.